Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Daybreak Aviation. I'm Jonathan. Today we've got a special guest with us today. It's Jimmy from Jimmy's World. He's coming in to make a donation through his non-profit to get our DC-3 fixed. And then we're also going to kind of take him up and let him fly around in our Beech 18. Stay tuned.
So we're here with Trey, and what's the name of the organization that runs this bird behind us?
Warbird South Flying Museum.
Warbird South Flying Museum. The special thing about this particular one is you guys helped out a little bit during Hurricane Helene and Milton, some of the other rescue missions. So what do you do with this airplane?
So it's all about being able to give back and preserve this aircraft for future generations, and then be able to see it, that it flies and it still serves a purpose. And so during the hurricane relief missions, we loaded it full of, I don't know, what did we fly? Maybe 30,000 pounds worth of cargo from North Carolina, South Carolina areas, and then we've also done, we've flown veterans, and field trips for the school. We let them come out, and we had 30 third, fourth graders in there the other day or so, and so it was a lot of fun. Yeah. So we just use it every opportunity we can to get people to be able to touch aviation and give back to the community. So.
Well, that's pretty awesome. Yeah. How long will it take you to will you repair it or just replace the whole thing?
It's cheaper to replace the whole surface. I've reached out to some contacts of ours over in Georgia, and we've secured a replacement. We're hoping to go here in about somewhere around the 4th next week, be able to run over there and pick up a new elevator, because just recovering and repainting one, let alone the metal repair, you're looking at at least $8,000 at least.
That Wings of Compassion, we raised a bunch of money through some other influencers, things like that. Seth, you're a rock star. Sean at Bikes and Beards, you guys really knocked it out of the park. And with my own people that watch, we raised a lot of money, and we were able to help a lot of families. We had a little bit of money left over, and I have a check right here. See if I can do that. I'll let you guys see it first. So here's a check, $1,000.
Wow.
To put toward the repair of this, the fuel, that's like one flight really, of fuel, but to go out and continue to do what you guys do to help everybody, and to have those experiences with the kids and the veterans. Because I know that's what everybody would want that donated, is for it to go to a cause like what you got going.
Yeah, well, we sure do appreciate it. It'll be well used, and for sure.
Well, I see the Beech over the 18 over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go hop in it here in a second.
Go for a ride in it?
Yeah.
Heck yes.
Yeah.
I've never been in a Beech 18.
Well, it's the baby version of the DC-3.
Yeah.
Radial engines. It's a blast. Very similar handling characteristics, and it burns, unfortunately, a lot of fuel too. So.
Yeah, that's right. She liked to drink at the gas.
The bad part is the payload's not anywhere close to what this one is. So.
Sure. Yeah, I couldn't even imagine. Oh, that's wonderful. All right. Well, let's saddle up, partner.
Sounds good.
All right.
These instruments look the same as what's in my old 310. That's fantastic.
Yeah, about the only thing that is military. Those two are about the oldest ones. Tail wheel lock. Fuel boost pumps on. Got my little spacer in there for me to grab, and then we're ready to roll.
Well, is that supposed to be? Is that part of it?
Holds them together real nice. Guys, the traffic, Twin Beech on the roll, runway 24, guys.
Man, you really feel like you're back in the 1940s flying this. It's pretty awesome. That was the golden era of aviation. And looking at everybody's faces, looking up at the airplane and like pointing and stuff like that, that's pretty awesome.
I get a lot of text messages. Typically, they, come back and buzz us, or whatever. What's up, Sheriff Dave?
Alright, right now we're loading up this old engine and we're going to put it on the tray and try to get it situated on here. Alright, got that loaded. Now we'll have to put probably a choker strap around this side and a strap on this side so that we can get it down. And here's more of the parts. And then we already have, I think it's 4 elevators, 1 rudder, and on the other side of the truck are 2 ailerons. And then over here is another boxes, jack, and then look, I want y'all to get this tray is actually working. At least I think he just started though. And then all these boxes up here are all miscellaneous DC3 parts. There goes another load of exhaust parts, whole big pallet. And then in here, maybe you can see, so this container was actually all the way up to here with boxes, and this all goes, and so we were able to do all of this thanks to y'all and your donations, and Jimmy from Jimmy's World gave a huge donation, so we really greatly appreciate that. So all we can use these parts to keep our DC3 flying for many generations to come. Thank y'all for your support. All right, this is the guy's hangar that we're buying all this stuff from. A little 172 Cub. I think this is an Alouette. I mean, look at that. And then Swizer up there, another Cub, and then you got this cool thing, an aerobatic airplane, and then another little 185 or 180 right here. Oh, so cool.
One in the cockpit takes about a half a day to rewind.
I'm no good.
No good.
No
good.
Tell Andrew we'll kill him
Well, I already told him.
on the spot.
I already told him where to put the clamp. I got 2 little wooden blocks.
Because you do know he's useless as tits on the bore hose.
Well, you the one that drive around with him in the right seat, not me.
Nah, it's been Jonathan here lately.
So, this is the tail. The plane will be working.
Got it.
So, got all that. That is the tail wheel. Okay, I guess that.
Alright, so back to punch this. And if it doesn't make a hole when you get to 55, and you tell it doesn't make a hole, so
No,
that
you
skin
hear
is
it.
actually
It'll
good.
go thump.
Yep.
Eddie!
Trey, what are you doing?
Fishing for mice.
So the elevator that we got has these holes in it, which are not factory.
Look here.
Oops. So that is all rat nest. And so what we're having to do now is go through here and clean it out, inspect it really good, fix what needs to be fixed, and then we're gonna go patch the holes. And it has holes on both sides, so we'll patch the holes and take a shot back and clean it out real good, wash it, fix it, and then get it on the airplane. So that's what we're doing now. All right, so we spent past 3 hours cleaning out the inside of this elevator. It was supposed to have been basically ready to put on the airplane, but it's not. It had a bunch of rats nest in it, so we've gone through here and had to cut some of this out just to clean it out, and then we will eventually patch this and fix that. But come look at the pile of stuff that we have gotten out of here. So this is just part of it. We also got, come in here and look at this. All that. Okay, that was completely empty. So this is a 16 gallon, and it has about half full, so that's about 8 gallons worth of stuff, plus all this stuff here on the floor. So now that we have the elevator cleaned out, we're gonna go wash it and then get it ready to actually recover in spots, patch it. So there you go. All right, so I was gonna show you what the inside of the elevator looks like. This one was actually in really good shape as far as the framework goes and the fabric, but as you can tell, all this is gonna have to be replaced all the way down to here. We think that it is repairable. These tubes were good. It was just basically the ribs here and stuff. So all that'll have to be replaced, and we'll get it done. But now you know what the inside of a DC-3's elevators look like.